guys, I wanted to go over the cognates that we did in class today together so that you can, one, get some practice in at home, and two, I also want you to practice saying them and then finally record a screencast. Exactly what I'm doing with you right now is what I want ultimately from you, and you'll turn that in on Google Classroom under an assignment that says cognate pronunciation. Okay, so there will be a video that will also show you how to make a screencast using Screencastify or Loom, or any screencast app that you feel comfortable with is fine. But what I'd like to see is exactly what you're seeing here. You're going to see the cognates on the screen, so you're going to pull up the document that's attached in the assignment, and you're just going to pronounce them for me. Okay, so I want to hear your pronunciation in the video. So let's do this together first. So you kind of know what I'm expecting. So I just want you to pronounce each word. Okay, so first one, repeat after me. Corona del Mar. Corona del Mar. Next one. El Hospital. El Hospital. Next one. Automóvil. Automóvil. Los Angeles. Los Angeles. Remember we talked about earlier too in class that we combine these two sounds, all right? So we don't separate it. We don't say los and then Angeles. We pretend like it's all one word, and we really what we're doing is that, okay? Really what we're doing is that. So Los Angeles. Next one is La Planta. La Planta. La Limonada. Limonada. El, and then the word is helicóptero. Helicóptero. La computadora. La computadora. And later on, we'll get into why the laws and the L's and the los and the losses are here. Basically, they all mean the, okay? So this is the helicopter, the computer. Next one, la historia. La historia. And remember, H is silent, so you kind of skip that when you're pronouncing it, and you go straight to this sound, which is the E sound, right? It's the letter I in English, but it makes the E sound. So la historia. The next one is la energía. La energía. Energía. So this sound, it makes an H sound, okay? Like he. All right, next one. El banco. El banco. El chocolate. El chocolate. El café. El café. El diccionario. El diccionario. El hotel. El hotel. El sándwich. El sándwich. El garaje. El garaje. This is a hard one. Refrigeradora. So we'll say the la, right? And if it's too much to do it all in once, you can split it up. La refrigeradora. Refrigeradora. So let's slow it down. Re. It's okay if you can't roll your R's. You just say re. Re. Fri. He. Well, this one you'll probably do together. He. Her. Like her, but her. Adora. So, la refrigeradora. That's a hard one. Don't beat yourself up over that one. That one take a long time for you. Anyhow, but it's a good practice. This one right here, el carro. El carro. Re. So again, don't worry about rolling your R's, but if you can, try it. Practice, practice, practice. So, re, and then restaurante. So this is kind of an odd sound here. Ow. Right? Ow, like ow, I guess. So el restaurante, right? And then when you're saying it fast, it's restaurante. And then next one is el uniforme, uniforme. This is kind of the same sound, the ow, the AU. So el dinosaurio, dinosaurio. Elefante, el elefante. This one, natural, natural. Perfecto. Perfecto. This one, la, and then this is a tough one, so just go with me here. Electricidad. Electricidad. You can sound it out. Electricidad. Electricidad. This one, necesidad. Necesidad. This one, la nacionalidad. Nacionalidad. Just to point out what I did earlier in classes, these DADs here, these are TYs in English, right? So electricity, necessity, nationality. If you missed class today, we talked about that. Next one, la libertad, liberty. Okay, and then these are LY, so these are adverbs. This one right here, the mentes are adverbs. So rápidamente, normalmente, frecuentemente. Rápidamente, normalmente, frecuentemente. Okay, so that's what I want you to do. You don't have to say them twice, just you can say them each one time. I want your best pronunciation possible. Okay, so as of this point, which is basically after 1 day of instruction, I want you to do your best to pronounce them is similar, to what you heard. Okay, and that's it. And then you'll upload your video to the assignment that I'll post on Google Classroom for this. Okay, so this will be the Cognates Screencast. All right, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Just email me. Okay.